This morning we're going to talk to Ronica Roth, team lead at Agility Services at CA Technologies. She's going to talk to us about how to advance your Agile practices. Hi Ronica, I'm John.
Hi John, great to meet you.
Have a seat. How's your show going?
Oh, it's been fun.
Yeah?
Chock-a-block.
So at the show there's been a lot of talk about Agile. What are companies dealing with when they try to implement these Agile tools?
Well, you know, we've reached an interesting juncture. Everyone's doing some. So the puzzle is, how do we scale it? How do we have a bigger impact?
This seems like a really big change for a lot of businesses. What does it take to go from something that's traditional and monolithic to something that's more agile like that?
For one thing, I think it takes courage.
Okay.
You know, the big question is, what have we learned? Or what little thing can we deliver sooner? You learn to ask different questions.
What are some need-to-know things before they start?
In Agile and Lean, we talk a lot about like fail fast, which is terrifying. Nobody, especially the more senior you get, the less you want to. I failed today. I'm so excited. You know, don't call it failure, call it learning. You know, call it, I'm willing to get new information that we need to take a different path. I think that's one of the biggest things is that mindset from I know the answer to I know how to get the answer.
So one of the things that can happen when you start implementing this is you turn inward. So how do you verify that you know what the customer wants while you're doing everything else?
Right. Getting the customer at the center is part of it. At Agile Central, when we do our quarterly planning, our big room planning, we invite the customer. A bunch of folks from our customers come and they're observing, they're learning, they're getting ready to scale, so they want to see how it's done. But for us, it means that literally the voice of the customer is in the room. That's the kind of shift in thinking where you're asking yourself, what investments can I make so I can get real customer feedback sooner?
And how do you scale that? What does it look like?
When you get to scale, you start having an impact that the business will notice. When I think of business agility, it's a couple things. One is actually being able to leverage all that goodness in the development side. So your scaled Agile delivery group can build a little, learn a little, pivot, adjust, build a little, learn a little, pivot, adjust. Well, what if your whole business could do that? What if you could make a bet on, you know, we think if we provide these capabilities, if we deliver this product, we have that hypothesis, we have that strategy, we start delivering on it, and then we can adjust as a business and make decisions about what bets we're going to make, about what businesses we go into, what customers we go after, what channels we pursue.
Ronica, thank you for this. This is really great. You're going to hit the show floor now, right?
Absolutely. Got to go talk to more people.